Guys, there are talks of Ethereum being rolled back because of this $1.4 billion hack. Now, this would actually be equivalent, kind of, to the Ethereum Classic fork, which is forked for the same reason because someone stole, I think, something like $60 million from the DAO back in 2016. There were a group of people that didn't want it forked. A lot of people did want it forked, so we got Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. For those of you that don't know, Ethereum Classic is the original chain, and Ethereum is the chain that rolled back and got rid of the hack. Well, now, the $1.4 billion puts them in a similar situation. Now, Bin Zhao, for his part of Bybit, has said that, all the validators in the community should actually vote if this is going to happen. And he's trying to muster every last thing he can do besides this to actually get the money back. He's offered a 10% bounty program for anyone up to $140 million for anyone that is willing to help them basically recover from the hack. So if you want some money and you know someone who stole Bybit funds and they're not part of the mafia and won't pwn you if you tell on them, then you should actually go ahead and tell the authorities, because $140 million or a piece of that pie is pretty sweet. But I don't think most of the community is going to vote for this, because you can't do this every time the chain is actually hacked. Now, to be fair, it was 9 years since the last hack, but Ethereum Classic still leaves kind of a stench. And if you split the chain right now, I think there'll be more dissenters this time, and it'll hurt the value of Ethereum and the blockchain overall, which would actually pave the way for something like Solana to take over, which honestly could actually be better for the overall crypto ecosystem, because Solana is superior to Ethereum in actual smart contracts and DeFi, which I think is going to be the main purpose of Ethereum. So it's a very interesting decision. I personally think they shouldn't do it. I think they should just basically exhaust all the other methods to get as much money back as possible. And like I said, I don't think the community is going to back the amendment to just roll back the blockchain, because I think there's enough purists in there are Ethereum validators that won't want to roll it back. If you look at Ethereum, it's really not suffered a huge price loss right now. Lazarus is trying to launder the funds and probably cash out through mixers and stuff. And they're going to get away with part of it, but I do think that some of the money will actually be returned. And since Bybit has actually enough funds to cover all their customers, I don't really see a point in just completely rolling it back, because that would cause a lot of dissension and a lot of dissatisfaction and would weaken Ethereum significantly. And plus, I don't think it's quite as big of a deal as 2016, although the money is exponentially more. Ethereum's also worth exponentially more. And doing this, I think, would shake the confidence of a lot of Ethereum fans and make them go to other chains. So once again, I would vote no on this. Let me know if you think they should actually roll it back like they did with 2016 and Ethereum Classic. That's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.